If you're lazy, congratulations, you might actually have an advantage. This is Leo. Every day, Leo promised himself, tomorrow I'll be productive. But tomorrow and looked exactly like today. He wasn't lazy by accident. It was almost an art form. Until one random Tuesday, he figured out something crazy. What if laziness was actually the key? In this video, you'll learn how lazy people secretly build rock-solid habits. Also, why motivation is a trap, and how to trick your brain into doing the right thing even when you don't feel like it. Leo tried everything. The 5 a.m. routine lasted 2 days. Cold showers gave him the flu. To-do lists abandoned before noon. He downloaded every habit tracker app, but his longest streak was 2 days. He wasn't weak, he was just a human. And like most of us, he wanted to change but hated effort. Then one day, Leo heard something different. Don't rely on motivation. Design your environment. That one sentence hit hard. He paused, sat up, and thought, what would my lazy future self actually do? That question became his superpower. He wrote down 3 rules. 3 rules for people who hate rules. Rule 1, make it so easy so you can't say no. He stopped trying to be perfect. Instead of reading for an hour, he read 1 page. Instead of a full workout, just 2 push-ups. Too small to fail. The brain loves finishing things. Tiny wins became tiny habits, and that became consistency. Rule 2, use lazy triggers, as known as habit stacking. He didn't rely on memory. He used triggers. Make coffee. Read 1 page. Brush teeth, do 2 push-ups. Lunch, walk 100 steps. No overthinking. Just flow. Lazy-friendly automation. Rule 3, hide the bad, show the good. Leo realized something powerful. We follow friction. If something's hard to reach, we skip it. If it's in front of us, we do it. So he hid his distractions and made his good habits visible. Workout clothes by the bed, book on the pillow, phone locked away. He didn't become more disciplined. He just made bad habits harder. Soon, his days looked different. But not because he worked harder, because his environment worked for him. Leo didn't become a productivity god. He became a lazy genius. Same naps, same chill. But now, his habits ran on autopilot. Most people wait to feel ready, but that's the wrong game. Design for the version of you who's tired, lazy, and doesn't care, because that's the version who shows up most. Make life easier for yourself, and you'll finally win. If this video helped you rethink habits, hit like and subscribe for more brain-friendly ways to stay productive. The lazy way.